Good morning guys! Ngayon ay Miyerkules na at ang bumungad sa akin ngayong Miyerkules ay walang laman na peanut butter. Alam nyo kung sino nakaubos niyan? Ang kamay ni Chico. Kasyang-kasya yung kamay niya. Pagbalik ko wala nang laman. Ay, Calby, your brother cannot eat yogurt. He's allergic to yogurt, okay?
Oh God.
Both of you. He's allergic to yogurt, anak. Si Chico kasi, meron siyang problema sa yogurt. Napapansin ko kapag kumakain siya ng yogurt, nagkakaroon ng masamang rashes ang kanyang puwet.
Mom says you're allergic.
As in talagang mapula. Minsan na parang nagdudugo ng konti. Yung rashes lang siya sa skin.
Mama,
Pero it only, you see,
Coty.
it only happens kapag kumakain siya ng yogurt. I think you have to eat fast, anak.
Mama, I see the
Yeah,
apple.
he just wants to read. He just wants to read it. You eat your yogurt. Finish up. And then we shower.
Oh God.
Yogurt.
I see this cookie.
Yeah. And then we shower, okay?
You buy it for him. Mine is Mighty Pops.
Oh, I will get him another one. A very good Paw Patrol one.
Give me.
So when he has a new one, he will not share?
I see. Wait.
I get him the jet. I will get him Paw Patrol jet.
Look. I'm having two, Mom.
Then you share. Share. So when his CD comes, you can also borrow, okay?
I'm going to have Papa Commission too.
Alright, finish na kayo. We will shower so you feel fresh.
Oh God.
Give your brother a little bit only.
Only.
Ang cute naman ni Chico. Yogurt. Ah, yes. Then, Calby, you finish up because your brother cannot eat yogurt. Alright. Maayong buntag, everyone. Maayong buntag, guys. Unta, okay mo karong adlawa. Karon is Wednesday. Ayun, nagbisaya. Nakalimutan ko, nagbisaya ako. Pero maraming salamat once and for all sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay Wednesday and katapusan na ng August. Siyempre, shout out. Shout out sa aking eldest sister, Sheena May Pareño, ang may-ari ng Passion and Charms Bangkok and Jensen Bodega. Ayun, maraming salamat. So, birthday ng ate ko ngayon. Ayan, I love you, Achi. I cannot be with you, but I'll see you soon. Mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Ayun. Also, let me take this opportunity para magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Until today, sa mga sumasama sa kwento-kwento ng aming buhay, simula sa hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal, from 800 subscribers up to up to 280,000 subscribers. Ayun, daghang salamat guys. And of course, as of today, andito pa rin tayo sa bansang Uganda, kontinente ng Africa. May tao sa likod ko. Pak! Peekaboo! Chico, I see you! Chico, look! Chico, peekaboo! Peekaboo! I see you. Yes.
How about me?
Of course, you also. I was just writing down guys ang mga reminders ko bago matapos ang taon na ba social naka notebook. Maraming salamat sa nagbigay ng notebook kay T. Rosalie at kay Jem. Thank you. Meron akong organizer right now. Dito ko sinusulat yung mga dates at reminders na kailangan kong gawin for the last few months ng 2023, inshallah, magawa natin lahat ng ating mga life goals. Ayan. At of course, number one is prayers ko, not only for us but for everyone, is good health. Kasi wala tayong mai-enjoy sa buhay, guys, kung meron tayong mga lagnat at mga trangkaso, no? So, mas maganda pa rin yung healthy tayo para kahit na pandesal lang at saka kape sa umaga, sobrang enjoy at sobrang sarap na. Ayun. So today, I want to give you guys an update about Kuya Kahil. Marami ulit ako nabasa mga comments. So, maraming salamat po sa time ninyo sa pag-comment at pag-send ng messages at pagpanood ng video. So si Kuya Kahil ay nag-start na ng kanyang first day sa grade 5. Ayun. So ang kanyang eskwelahan po ay isang international school sa Thailand at ang kanyang tatay ay teacher sa school na yan and also a coach for soccer. So Kahil not only started his grade 5 level or primary 5 level, and but he also started his training sa soccer. During weekdays, ang coach niya ay ang kanyang tatay. During weekends, meron siyang coach na we trusted and been coaching and training him since he was 2 years old, bago siya umalis ng Thailand. Natuwa ako kay Kuya Kahil, guys, kasi nagsisend siya sa akin ng update. Fortunately, sa international school dyan sa Thailand, ngayon, they are very advanced, so they are using, okay, fine, sa lahat naman ng mga schools outside of Uganda maybe, they are learning using their iPad. So, Kahil takes short videos and photos para ma-update ako ng bongga. Meron na daw siyang bagong friends. Nag-take siya ng photo sa labas ng office ng daddy niya. And also, he doesn't forget to call me at least twice a day. Ayun. So, sobrang saya ko. By the way, guys, yung tatay ni Kahil ay ini-encourage din si Kahil na tawagan ako. Magiging routine na yan, and it's one of his responsibilities na he should do every single day, not unless in some circumstances na talagang pagod na pagod yung bata. So first thing first, maliligo muna yung mga bata para ma-refresh sila. But time check natin ngayon is alas 10 ng umaga. Itong gagawin ngayong araw, so maglilinis na lang kami, and then later lalabas ako para bumili ng mga bagay na kailangan dito sa bahay in preparation for setting up the house. So as you all know, kami ay babalik na ng Pilipinas. Uuwi muna ng Pilipinas. Now, alam ko marami yung nagtatanong kung bakasyon ba or stay for good. I can't say. I just want to go home first and be with my family and to relax and to do road trips. Katulad nung nasabi ko sa inyo last time. So ngayon ay mag-check lang ako, guys, ng mga kailangan kong gawin and kailangang linisin. Siyempre isasama ko kayo kasi boring mag-isa. Boring gawin itong mga bagay na to mag-isa. Pero I will show you guys around as well. So this house, once again, is mine. Regalo ito ng aking ex-husband, tatay ng mga anak ko, as you all know. Ayan, regalo niya to sa akin after the wedding, the post-wedding gift. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom na apartment dito sa Kampala. Hindi naman siya sa center ng Kampala, pero hindi malayo. I love the location very much. It's perfect. So while nasa Pilipinas, I am going to open this place for Airbnb. At dahil Airbnb siya, kailangan nating i-prepare mga bagong beddings, bagong mattress protector, bagong pillow and towels. And of course, kung merong mga sira, kailangan na nating ayusin as early as possible para maalagaan etong property. So far so good, guys. Wala naman masyadong sira dito, no? Kasi lagi ko siyang pinapagawa agad kapag merong mga nakikita akong mga may problema. Sa paglilinis naman, nag-general cleaning kami at least once a month, and we wipe all the furnitures at least 2 to 3 times in a month. So tara, let's go, samahan niyo ako ngayon. So, alam niyo ba, guys, na isa sa mga culture shock ko pagdating ko dito sa Uganda is napansin ko na lahat ng mga bahay, apartment, hotels, and properties nila ay talagang merong metal doors katulad nito. And ang metal door na yan ay talagang designed siya na hindi makapasok yung kamay or katawan ng tao. And after the metal door, there's also a very thick glass and meron ding metal together with the glass. So, nagtataka ako bakit sobrang dami. I thought ganun lang yung decoration niya or ganun lang talaga yung style ng bahay. Well, the most important reason bakit merong mga metal doors is to avoid robbery or yung mga magnanakaw na papasok sa property mo. So basically, lalong-lalo na kapag nasa magandang estate ka or magandang area ka, masyadong marami yung mga akyat bahay gang. At para maiwasan, dapat talaga secured yung iyong mga balcony doors, yung mga pintuan. So sa pintuan, tag 2 hanggang 3 locks. Sa bintana, merong mga steel door. So mamaya makikita nyo sa kwarto ng mga bata. Kahit sa bintana, merong metal protection. And then kahit sa mga balcony. So, After ng metal door, meron din siyang 2 different locks. Merong lock sa mismong door at meron pang padlock. So, doble-doble talaga. So, this here is my access to my own balcony. Hindi ko siya masyadong ino-open kasi ang unit na to ay malapit sa road. Hindi naman siya main road, yung maliit lang na kalsada. Pero minsan kasi kapag hindi umuulan, masyadong maalikabok. So, pag ino-open ko siya, maganda nga yung hangin pero maalikabok naman papasok dito sa loob ng bahay. So you guys, what's the view from my balcony? Napakita ko na to sa inyo before pero that was long time back. So mag-refresh tayo ng konti. Kuha lang ako ng tsinelas dahil maalikabok nga. The size of this balcony, by the way, you guys, ay malaki siya. For me, it's enough. Like I said, malapit siya sa kalsada. So eto yung kalsada. And as you can see, hindi siya ganun kasementado. So, kapag umuulan, talagang maalikabok. But, the size of this balcony is enough to have like 2 to 4 seats at maliit na table. This one here is Auntie Christine's bedroom. So, nakikita nyo, sobrang maalikabok. Wala kaming stock room. So, yung sink na pinatanggal, dyan na lang nilagay. And, for the view, ito ang aking nakikita every time na lumalabas ako ng balcony. So, this is the estate kung saan ako nakatira na side ng Kampala, Uganda. So, very uso na rin dito pala guys yung mga apartment. As you can see, ayun no. Sobrang daming mga apartments. Lalo na ngayon. Actually, nag-start sila last year. Napansin ko ang daming nagbi-build ng mga apartments at condos. Meron din dito na side, ayun. Na-check namin yan before, but maliit yung kanyang balcony at maliit yung kanyang space. So, hindi siya conducive for family. But as you can see guys, this country is still very green. Ang daming mga puno at lahat ng bakuran merong either mangga or avocado. Sobrang lalaki ng mga puno. So, green din siyang tingnan. And the weather right now is around 25 degrees Celsius. So, it's very cool. Ito naman ang another apartment na katabi ng apartment building namin. I think isang developer lang pero magkaiba yung may-ari. So, pasok tayo sa loob. I'm going to ask Joseph na linisan at punasan ang ating balcony. Para kahit wala tayo dito, hindi ganun kakapal ang alikabok.
Mommy!
Yes?
Bubble!
Bubbles?
Baby!
How do you play that thing? Kalbi, how do you play that thing?
I don't know how to play. Can I show you?
Where's your ball?
The
Chico, what is that? Show mama.
ball.
Show me.
I show you, Mom.
Let
I
me see.
show you.
Ano naman pinagkabisihan nito ni Dodong, Chico? Be? Hi.
Mommy,
Dodong, Chico.
Mommy,
Ang mga tudlo, mukha ka gamay-gamay.
you can help me for it.
Wow.
Mommy,
What did Auntie say?
cabbage and candy. And ginger.
Cabbage and ginger, not candy. Okay, you go and give the money to Auntie. Did you give?
Yeah.
Alright, no candy, just cabbage.
Candy.
Can you not bite, please? Can you not bite? Yeah? Yes? Are you going to bite? Say no. Say no. Are you going to bite your brother? Say no. Hmm? You see? Fighting is not good. Biting your brother is not good. Okay? You understand? Do you understand? You go say sorry to Bobby. Hmm? Come on, Mama. Bye, Bobby, okay? You go and play with Bobby.
Yeah. Huh?
What's that?
Thing.
Where?
Big thing. Lemon. Yay. Too.
Wow, Spider-Man. Kuya is good, yeah? He's good. Okay, go. Papa Boogie.
Papa Boogie.
Maayong buntag.
Papa Boogie. Papa Boogie.
Uganda. Of course, we have here kulit kulot. Yes. It's
Can you
done.
give me candy?
Okay, you remind me later. We will buy for you, how do you call? A cake snack.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show them again na properly
I
done.
want chocolate.
Ang dami-daming t-shirt ni Calby, pero kung makapalit siya ng damit, parang dalawa lang yung kanyang t-shirt. Kasi mahilig siya sa Paw Patrol lately. Alam nyo naman yung face ng mga bata. Come and dance first. Chico's turn to dance and then we will get cake snack. Ready, go!
Boogie.
Papa Boogie! Papa Boogie! What's wrong? Nagmugot na naman si Kuya niyo.
Chalky egg.
Chalky egg. Okay. You drink water first because your lips are dry.
Okay.
I'll see you on the next episode.
Boom. And boom.
Nakalimutan niya ang script.
Boogie.
Nag-aantay kami kay Auntie. We are going to Sarah's house today. We are going to food trip there and have a picnic in under her avocado tree. Bread. Hello guys! Good morning! Maayong buntag! Uganda! And now we are here with Maring Sarah, of course. Maring Sarah is here because we are going to talk about Paul. No. We're going to talk about people who says bad comments, joke. Okay. So we are here right now and every time we are here guys, nagchichika-chika kami, nagdadala ako ng food and we are going to eat together. Wow! Yeah, it's nice by the way. Very nice vegetable. Auntie Christine is going to make ginisang munggo. But this time, she's going to make it in front of everyone. Look at this! Alam nyo ba guys, mahirap maghanap ng watermelon dito sa Uganda. It's so hard to look for good watermelon. Auntie, look.
Yeah, that's nice. It's red.
But this time, I got one. This is 5,000 Ugandan shillings or 50 pesos. I was worried kasi maliit siya. Akala ko maputi pa siya sa loob. Pero tingnan nyo, sobrang pula. And alhamdulillah, okay na ang aking appetite. I'm so happy I started eating again.
Yeah.
It's not yet back 100%, maybe around 80. But soon we will be there. As long as I eat what I really want to eat.
It was depressing seeing you.
I know, especially if you know my appetite.
Yeah. Looks sweet.
Yes. Alright. Yung sirang-sirang ang mukha na. While slicing because it's hard. My face is all deformed. Okay guys, I hope you guys are all well, right, Maring Sarah?
Hello.
Okay.
Someone.
Welcome once again sa aking YouTube channel. At sana ay okay kayong lahat kung nasaan man kayo. Syempre, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng oras at pagmamahal na binibigay ninyo sa akin at sa mga kaibigan ko dito sa Uganda. Sweet? Of course, for you guys who has not yet subscribed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that kalembang. Kalembang means bell button. Yes. Maring Sarah also, guys, Sarah Pedun. She's my solid, trusted friend. I trust her with my life. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the kalembang button para masundan nyo ang kanyang mga episode. Alam nyo dito sa Uganda, guys, mahirap maging vlogger. Kasi yung mga lokal dito, hindi sila supportive sa isa't isa. Madamot sila sa kanilang mga skills at opportunity. Right? Am I saying it correctly? It's hard to vlog in Uganda because the big vloggers or the vloggers who knows how to do it, they don't really share their knowledge and skill.
Actually, before I met you, like I'd never. Really.
By the way,
And
that was a good history
some
of us.
bloggers also do charge.
Oh yeah, they charge when they teach you, or they don't even want to talk about it. It's like if you ask them about it, they're like they don't want to say anything.
Yeah, or even just to mention your name on
Yes.
their blogs, you have to pay them.
Yeah.
Like buy lunch or something.
They are fearing that you are going to
Okay, let me bring.
be more successful than them. For me, guys, I have nothing but respect to vloggers, especially the one that started from scratch, because I have been there. I have started from scratch. 3 years of vlogging with 800 subscribers and less than 100 views sa mga videos ko. So for me, I respect people who vlog and starts from scratch. So sa inyo na nagsusuporta din pala, maraming salamat. Of course, everything is not possible without your support. Sarah, this is so red.
Yeah.
Let's try, guys, together. Cheers.
Let's finish this piece.
This is so sweet.
Chico, you want more?
Beat me, come and beat me now.
That's a yakuza. Yakuzi. How do you call these people? The swaga. You sit there because you don't pay your bills. All you have to do is to wait and eat.
Crocs.
Remove your Crocs. Good boy. Your Crocs for 5 months old baby. Ang luma na ng Crocs niya eh. Binili pa yan nung hindi pa siya nakakalakad masyado. Auntie is there making... What are you boiling, Auntie? Mang beans. The vegetable are ready?
Choroko.
Ah, okay.
First we call it choroko.
Maybe we slice the what? The pumpkin. What?
Yeah, so
Boda-boda.
Let me bring the other one.
Yeah. Pinutol nila yung bayabas kasi marami siyang sapat. Anong sapat, madam? Yung parang mga kadakagat mo sa bayabas, merong sapat, merong uod, merong mga puti-puti. Sayang, hindi nakasurvive. Padalhan ko to si Maring Sara ng buto ng bayabas sa Pilipinas, yung malalaki. Pero marami na siyang bagong tanim dito, you guys. Ayan. Meron siyang cassava. Nagtanim siya ng pinya. Meron siyang rosemary, saging. Oh, you already remove your matoke. Last time, meron pang bunga yung matoke. Ngayon, wala na. Mahilig talaga si Maring Sara magtanim. Yes? Yeah. Okay, very good. Don't wear shoes na. Ha? Meron nga siyang maraming tanglad, oh. Chico! Chico, Chico! Chico? Give mommy some. Let me try. Let me try, please. Let me try. Let mommy try. Thank you. Watermelon. It's nice lollipop. Now, oh, you see? Now you will let me try.
Okay.
This one is nice also. It's mango. Mango. No.
let me taste. Let me see.
Yeah.
Taste. Which color?
It's
This, let me
nice.
see.
Color.
You want to taste mine?
It's nice. So yesterday we did a lot of things, and including the booking of the flight. We have confirmed our flights finally, Auntie. We have booked our flight. Yesterday the flight is finally confirmed. Yes. Yes. And Auntie has her ticket to Asia. Auntie is going to fly. Auntie is going to fly a total of 18 hours.
That's how long.
Yes. Do you know we're going to go first? Doha, Qatar. Whee! You see? when you're patient, a lot of good things happens to you. Huh? Yes. Auntie is gonna be in a huge plane.
London, we are coming.
Tapos na kaming mag-lunch, everyone. Now we are having fresh watermelon. Sobrang tamis at mapula. Kasing pula ng aming bowl. Sarah is enjoying our fruit time. So, how was the ginisang munggoy? Did you like it?
Oh,
Nice?
very nice, and I'm definitely going to prepare it.
Sarah tried ginisang munggo by Andy Christine for the first time. No, it's sold out. No more. The canteen is closed. Sobrang ganda dito mag-lunch sa bahay ni Maring Sarah kasi very relaxing and refreshing with the trees and also birds. Amazing wind. May mga duyan-duyan pa siya, oh. Ako naman nandito lang. Pabigat. Pabigat at palamunin. Feeling fresh na si Chico. Dahil hindi siya nag-diaper, guys. So, kailangan. Para na kami ditong Pilipinas. In the Philippines, we do this, but my mom will look for the head lice. Ay. We used to don't like it because kids, we want to run around, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but now we want it because you feel like you're sleepy. Mom, please, now! Alam mo, no, you beg everyone to do it for you, but when you're young, you hate it.
Yeah.
They are removing the synthetic hair. It's there. Kulang na lang ang saging, guys. Na-imagine ko na yung saging dito na may bagoong. And then meron tayong coke. And then meron tayong barbecue dyan, ulo ng manok. Don't say
How much can we dance? Alicia, we dance,
I didn't put it down.
You dance first, dance.
Can we dance, Dance, I give you lollipop. Check out the dance.
Down. Put down.
Stop fighting.
Now see what I've done. See. You make it
You're so
big.
stubborn. You want to fight me? You want to fight me? Fight. Fight. Yeah.
Ma, I am going to tell mommy to
Don't say
Mommy, remove all
You
of
want
them.
to fight me?
No, that.
Aha. Push, Chica, push.
Chico.
Push, Chica, push.
Thank you, Chico.
This thing will give up. You will see.
Okay, come and carry you here.
Ah, yeah.
Mine,